Hello everyone, this is Chris Presents. We're gonna do another video in downtown Chicago. I'm in Streeterville and it's raining right now. This is Chicago Avenue. I'm on the corner of Chicago Avenue and Fairbanks. I'm on my way to work. And this is gonna be probably a 5 to 10 minute video. And this is Chicago Avenue. And this is Streeterville. Again, it's Wednesday, April 6, 2022, and the time is 6:45 a.m. We're just waiting for the red light to cross, and I'm gonna head south on Fairbanks. And then this is the medical complex and university complex of Streeterville. This is Northwestern University Medical School, and that's Northwestern University research buildings, and also Northwestern Memorial Hospital building Prentice right here for women's hospital. I'll show you how tall this hospital is. It's like a high-rise hospital. There you go, you can see my umbrella in the video too. So this is Fairbanks. It's raining right now, but the temperature is good for April. It's spring already. It's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're approaching Superior Street in Fairbanks. You can see there's a lot of traffic here. This is a hospital area, and there's always traffic in this area. And we're still in Streeterville. It is a residential neighborhood, but it's also a hospital neighborhood. It's also a hotel area. This is Fairbanks and Superior. Fairbanks and Superior. The rain is coming down. So this is Superior Street. This is another part of Northwestern Memorial Hospital. And then you see a shuttle bus here bringing people to work at Northwestern. All right. So these are buses that are bringing employees of Northwestern University and Northwestern Hospital from the train stations, mainly the suburban train stations, the stations that come from the suburbs. They're in the city, like from Union Station and Ogilvy Station, and you can see there's a lot of water on the floor. I want to show you the puddles over here. See? I have to be careful how I walked over here. Look at this. Look at all this water. Water has been coming down all night. It's still nighttime. Usually the sun is up by now, but it's not up yet. And this is Huron Street. And I'm going to show you the buildings in this area. This is 680 North Lakeshore Drive. And the one with the glass, it's Charlie Ryan Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago, one of the best rehab hospitals in the world, on the planet. And we're just gonna keep going here on Fairbanks. So this video is gonna be a 10-minute video or less. We're gonna make it at least an 8-minute video. So this is Fairbanks, and then we're approaching Erie and Fairbanks. You can see a lot of people on the street going to work, going to the hospital. And I want to show you this beautiful area here, open space here. There you go. And that's the research part of Northwestern University downtown campus. I guess we'll go back this way. Show you Fairbanks going the other direction. And I'm on my way to work, so I'm doing this video on the way to work. I did a video yesterday as well. Yesterday was foggy. Today is raining. Yesterday's video was 16 minutes. This video is going to be half of that, like 8 minutes. Alright, then we're going to wrap up this video in a couple of minutes. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So this is Fairbanks, and this is Huron. We're on Huron and Fairbanks, and I'm just waiting for the green light so I can cross. So we'll wrap this video up in a minute and a half. We'll make it an 8-minute video at least. A lot of traffic here. Fairbanks and Huron. Fairbanks and Huron. Waiting for the light for the pedestrians to cross. Alright, we're crossing now. There's a lot of rain coming down. Alright, this is Huron. We'll just go a little bit on Huron Street. We're walking west on Huron Street, and then you can hear music coming out of the cars here. Hopefully it won't interfere with the copyrights of the video. You probably don't hear the music in the video, but I do hear it. It's pretty loud. It's coming out of the car here. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. This is Chris Presents. This was an 8-minute video in the rain, walking in the rain in Streeterville in downtown Chicago on Wednesday, April 6, 2022. Thank you everybody for watching.